Andrew here, DrDetail, at the 2019 Canadian Concrete Show, doing the detailing, cleaning. There's some equipment we've done, Western Star. We're in the Mac booth right now, just finishing up this. It's an almost a 40-meter, 100-foot boom on this truck. So we did the boom, the front end. A lot of work. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com in Toronto, Canada, doing the concrete show. We are the official detailers of the show and the wash team. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com for the Canadian Concrete Show in Toronto, Canada, by the airport.